Okay, to make your tags highlight and attach it to your evidence, I'm going to click on let me click Jennifer's, because if I mess hers up, I can just delete it and start over. So you're going to go to activities that you have scheduled. And so you can see I've already been playing around with hers. I'm going to go to observation here. And so when I'm doing my direct observation, I'm writing the stuff down here. Okay, so all the things I see. I'm also looking to make sure some of that stuff matches her goals. So I'm going to click on goals and highlight all this stuff, and I'm going to tag it. And if I want to go and also find those indicators, 2C and 4C, I will also highlight it again and tag 2C and 4C. Then I'm going to go click Save. So once you save it, it rolls it up here. Okay, and then you have everything is tagged and highlighted. Hope that helps.